Hat for Hap around the house. Oh, it's now fall time, so now it is time for some pumpkin seeds. So we harvest some pumpkins and we buy some pumpkins and I bake up the seeds, but we're gonna see how our Rockwell Sonic Crafter does. We'll start with this blade and then we'll go to our drywall blade. All right, let's get to cutting. That cut through it pretty nice. That made a little bit of a mess, and you're not going to cut teeth, obviously. Let's see how easy this stuff comes out. I got more cutting to do. Oh, look at that. Magic. I've got a 5-gallon gut bucket down there for the guts from this pumpkin. Look at that. That worked out really nice. And all the way through. Pretty cool. See how this one worked. Oh, it looks... Looks like I might have a little more work to do to that. Hang on a sec, let's crank her back up. All right, let's see if that mouth is ready to come out. A little tricky. A little bit tricky on that. Oh yeah, look at that all the way through. Nice. Okay, that worked out nice. Take a look at that, huh? Is that scary if you had kids? Our kids are too old to want to do this anymore, but that is neat. I'll change the blade up. Okie dokie, look at that blade. Now, usually I use this for drywall. You can see there's some drywall still on there. But yeah, I think this is going to work out great. I'll leave an affiliate account down below if you want to look at any of the tools that I have here. Blades too. These blades are really nice. I'll drop you a line on where to get those too. So let's see if we can cut totally around the circumference here. Okay, now we've cut totally around. If we can yank her open. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, now that's scarier than the other thing. Look at that. Yeah, that came out pretty cool. Yeah, the old oscillating tool really... My God, that's frightening. Look at that thing. Let me get you out of here. I want to show you a little closer. All right, that worked great, and it left me with a monstrously scary... I wish I had a couple of 6-year-olds to show this to or do that with. Yeah, that worked out great. Wow, these oscillating tools do so many things. They're really great tool. If you don't have one, that's about, I don't know if they're 70, who knows what it costs anymore, but when I picked it up, I think it was like $77. And I had a $20 Harbor Freight, but that one is so much better. The vibration in the handle is so much less. But yeah, if you want to, for some reason, want to cut a pumpkin with an oscillating tool, you can. It's Hat for Hap around the house. If you liked the video, consider hitting the like button. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Hat for Hap around the house.